legends! Did you know that ironing clothes used to be an absolute nightmare? Imagine trying to flatten a fancy shirt on a rough, flat wooden table. Ouch! Back in the day, that's exactly what people had to do. It was super hard to get wrinkles out of sleeves and seams because the boards were just too wide. But in 1892, a brilliant woman named Sarah Boone decided it was time for an upgrade. She was a genius who knew how to make things better for everyone. She invented an upgraded, narrow and curved ironing board. It was designed specifically to fit perfectly inside clothing sleeves and seams, making it a total game changer. Her clever design made crisp, wrinkle-free fashion accessible to the whole world. Next time you see a perfectly pressed shirt, you can thank Sarah's genius. Sarah Boone was one of the earliest Black women in American history to receive a patent. She didn't just fix a problem, she laid the foundation for modern style by personally drafting this patent after learning to read and write in her 40s. If you loved this discovery, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing legends. See you next time in the Lab of Legends.